Tired of manual grinding? Let the auto grind system do the heavy lifting for you. Here's how it works. You get 5 solid hours of auto grind per day, Monday through Friday. Just use a bag of gold coins to extend your session. Worried about your HP? Set custom triggers to auto potion, use healing skills, or even auto save when your health drops to a certain level. Customize your combat. Handpick exactly which battle skills to use, and let the system automatically cast your buff items and skills as soon as they expire. The system will auto-teleport if there are no monsters. If you get mobbed by too many targets, or as an emergency escape when your HP hits 5%. Don't waste time on trash mobs. Use monster selection to hunt only what you want. Ready to level up while you sleep? Let us know what you're hunting in the comments. This will bring back that authentic, classic grind but without the headaches. Join us in Midgard Rises. He'll see you soon.